In a captivating anime series, Cosmo Connectors, two distinct realms collide, unraveling an enthralling story of friendship, science, and the power of imagination. In the wondrous world of Sparkle Land, a charming kingdom inhabited by magical beings, we meet our spirited protagonist, Hikari. With her vibrant pink hair and boundless curiosity, Hikari dreams of becoming a renowned fashion designer. She lives with her caring grandparents, who nurture her passion for creativity and compassion. One day, while exploring her adventurous friend Aki's enchanting garden, Hikari stumbles upon a mysterious artifact, the Cosmo Connector. Meanwhile, in the realm of Idola, a parallel dimension where science and technology reign supreme, we encounter our second protagonist, Hiro. Hiro is a brilliant young physicist who aspires to make groundbreaking discoveries to benefit society. Under the mentorship of Dr. Mizuki, an esteemed scientist, Hiro devotes his time to perfecting the Cosmo Connector, a device capable of harnessing interdimensional energy. Through an unexpected event, the Cosmo Connectors in both realms activate simultaneously, causing a cosmic ripple that intertwines the destinies of Hikari and Hiro. As the energies converge, they find themselves inexplicably transported to each other's worlds. In Idola, Hikari is no longer the fashion enthusiast she once was. Instead, she possesses a natural talent for manipulating interdimensional energy and technology, a gift that amazes Hiro and Dr. Mizuki. With their help, Hikari sets out on a quest to find a way back to her world, all while learning about the wonders of science and the importance of balance between magic and technology. In Sparkle Land, Hiro is fascinated by the vibrant colors and magical creatures he encounters. Initially bewildered, Hiro quickly adapts to his new surroundings and discovers a latent talent for fashion design. With Hikari's supportive grandparents guiding him, Hiro endeavors to become a designer, learning about creativity and the value of imagination. As Hikari and Hiro embark on their respective journeys, they maintain contact with each other through magical messages, forging an extraordinary bond across the dimensions. They share their experiences, encouraging and inspiring each other to embrace their newfound talents and face the challenges in their paths. However, their adventures are not without obstacles. A sinister force emerges, seeking to exploit the power of the Cosmo Connectors for malevolent purposes. Led by a cunning mastermind known as Eclipse, this villainous organization aims to merge both realms into one, regardless of the consequences. United by their friendship and the desire to protect their worlds, Hikari and Hiro join forces to stop Eclipse and restore the balance between their realms. Along their journey, they encounter a diverse cast of characters, including Aki, Dr. Mizuki, magical beings, and technological wonders, who aid them in their quest. As the series unfolds, Cosmo Connectors delves into the themes of friendship, perseverance, and the importance of cherishing one's unique qualities. Hikari and Hiro's shared experiences teach them the true meaning of empathy and understanding, bridging the gap between magic and science. In a climactic battle against Eclipse, Hikari and Hiro demonstrate the incredible synergy between their magical and technological abilities. Through their unwavering friendship and cooperation, they thwart Eclipse's plans, saving both Sparkle Land and Idola from imminent destruction. Cosmo Connectors, A Tale of Two Realms, is a captivating anime series that celebrates the beauty of diversity and the limitless potential that arises when two worlds collide. It inspires viewers of all ages to embrace their individuality, work together harmoniously, and cherish the bonds that transcend dimensions.
下で夢見る心つなぐ魔法と科学の世界が交差するコズモコネクタ道の扉を開け共に歩むつなぐスパークルグランドの色とりどりの風エイドランド未来新しい道を照らす心の絆が強くなる瞬間信じる力で勇気を見つけるコスモコネクタ道の扉を開けコネクタ道の扉を開け共に歩む運命 つの世界をつなぐ夢を追いかけて絆は永遠一つになる時孤楽星の下で夢見る心つなぐ魔法と彼方が世界が交差するコスモコスパクルラブの美女と色風エイドラの未来新しい道を照らす心の絆が強くなる瞬間信じる力で勇気を見つけるコスモコネクタ道の扉を開け二つの世界を綱夢を取ると夢を追いかけて絆は永遠に